Let us look at how to fix defrost error with defrost forcing jig. First, the defrost forcing jig is used to activate defrost here and find source of errors when defrost error occurs. Let us make the defrost forcing jig. First, we need a defrost sensor assembly and resistor. Most resistors should be between 13 kilo ohms and 300 kilo ohms. This is the resistor as 33 kilo ohms. Then we need solder, nipper, shearing tube, and an iron. Then let us start. Blue and brown wires of the defrost sensor are fused. First, we will cut the fuse. The length should be about 5 centimeters. Then we will also cut the orange wires to be about the same length. Remove coating on the brown and blue wires to make a short circuit. Cut the sensor connecting wires at different lengths and remove coating. Connect resistor at both ends of the sensor. The jig is complete. A short circuit is made to where fuse was and soldered. Resistor of 33 kilo ohms has been connected to the defrost sensor. After completing the jig, put the shearing tube for insulation. Apply heat and the defrost forcing jig is complete.